everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet C10 Shortbox. Beautiful truck, guys. I actually sold this truck a few years ago to a gentleman who actually just traded it back in. Gorgeous truck. I can't tell you how nice this paint is. I mean, it is just slick as glass. It's a very cool color combination. It's called Wineberry. It's a burgundy on the top, and then it's got a light cranberry on the bottom with a little metallic in it. It almost looks like a silver. Pretty truck. A lot of little subtle changes on it. The truck was lowered down a little bit. Of course, you can see they pulled the bumpers in a little tighter on the truck. It's got a beautiful set of Coys wheels on it. 350 truck, automatic with air. But just a gorgeous truck. Runs and drives excellent. And just beautiful paint, guys. This truck has just slick paint. You can see they've body colored all the bumper, or all the, some of the trim and the bumpers. Couple little touch-up marks there. Gorgeous paint, guys. Bed's all painted real nice. You can see all the trims in great shape. Look how straight it is down the sides. Those are Coys wheels. You can see they've actually painted the hub in their body color in the rear. It's got slotted and drilled rotors and front disc brakes. .350 engine. You can see it's got a polished Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, polished Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake, beautiful set of ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got aftermarket air unit. Air does work, blows cold. Aluminum radiator. It's kind of neat the way they've done this up front. Edelbrock air cleaner and Edelbrock valve covers. Pretty truck, man. Handles are nice. It's got the deluxe door pads, new carpet in it. Nice seat, very comfortable. tilt column, wood steering wheel. It's 50,210. That's supposed to be the original miles on the truck. Factory tach gauges. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. It's dual exhaust, stock 12-bolt rear end. Look how clean this thing is. Truck's nice and clean underneath. Seat's very nice. Padded dash. Again, the wood steering wheel's in great shape. Tilt column, you can see that dash is beautiful. Just a pretty, pretty truck. Good running 350. Jay just kicked your AC on. It works, blows cold. Gauges are functional. Good oil pressure. Fuel gauge works. Radio works, blower motor works, guys. What's the, oh, the button underneath is for the AC, right? Yeah. Yep, that actually activates the AC. Oh, it's got the, oh doggone, I can't remember what those headlights are called, but those are a more modern headlight. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. We also just started a Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, call Leroy, call Jay. You can do that at 248-620-3355. That is a pretty, pretty truck, man. Kind of get to see it out in the sunlight there a little bit. It just pops. Just laser straight. Have a great day, guys.